Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook offline activity tracking. First of all, open the Facebook application. Here, tap on the profile picture and then gear icon in the top right corner. Now tap on this see more in account center. Now scroll down to your information and permissions. Tap on it. Now tap on this your activity of Meta Technologies. And you have couple of options. You can hit clear previous activity at the bottom and hit clear, and then you can tap on this clear previous activity. Now tap on this disconnect specific activity. If you have any activity on there, you can choose to turn it off and disconnect it after entering the password, and then also hit manage future activity and make sure that is disconnect future activity and tap on this continue and tap on this disconnect future activity, and you are good to go. We won't track your activity and you are cleared all of the past activity offline of Meta Instagram as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.